All right, hi everybody. We're going to do section 6.5, which is solving real-world problems involving markup and discount. So before we do that, we need to know what the words markup and discount mean. So you're going to copy down the vocabulary. Markup, we'll just erase the whole thing. The amount of price of an item is increased above the price that the store paid for an item, the percent of increase. Okay, so we're adding something to it. We bought the item for $10, we're now going to sell it for $15. Selling price is the amount the customer pays for the item. And the discount is the amount by which the regular price of the item is reduced. Now you don't have to pay as much for the item. Alright, so let's do some examples. I'm going to do a markup example with you, then you're going to do it on your own. Then I'm going to do a discount example, and then you're going to do it on your own. Two ways to do this. I'm going to teach you both. You can decide which way you like better. Find the selling price if a store pays $75 for a bike and the markup is 40%. So this is part one, by the way. The first way is how I taught you when you were doing tax. Find the amount of the markup first. So I'm going to do 40%. How much 40% of 75 is? So 0.4 times 75. Let me just grab my calculator. Is $30. Now I'm going to add that $30 to the 75 to find out how much the sale price is, because markup is how much they're increasing it by, and I'm going to get $105. So this method, you're doing it in two steps, finding out how much the markup is, how much it's increasing by, and then adding it. The second way, or the other way to do it, is to find the total percent first. So we're increasing it by 40%. So like tax, we have 100% of the item plus 40% of the item, which means we have 140%. 140% is 1.4 times the 75. And when you multiply those, you should jump immediately to the answer, because we're increasing the 75 by 40%, and we get $105. You may do whichever method you like for any of these problems, your choice. So copy this down. You're going to do this one on your own. Find the selling price if a store pays $68 for a portable DVD player and the markup is 35%. Okay, so you're going to try that one on your own. Only one method, you don't have to do two. Part two, discount examples. Again, I'm going to teach you two different ways. You choose the one you like better. A magazine subscription has a cover price of $35. It's on sale for 67% off the original price. Find the sale price of the magazine subscription. So let's find out how much they're taking off. 67% of $35. So 0.67 times 35. I get $23.45. Now I'm going to subtract to figure out how much I have left to pay, because I don't have to pay the $23.45. 35 minus my answer, I get $11.55. The second way is if they're taking off 67%, what is the remaining amount that you have left to pay? So you can do 100% minus the 67% is 33%. So I'm going to take 33%, that's all that you have left to pay, of the $35. And we should get the same answer. Let me just double check. And you get $11.55. Now, if you're doing this way, I do not need to see 100 minus 67. You can jump right to this one line and write your answer that way, and I will understand where you're getting it from. Okay, so you're going to try number two on your own. A baseball mitt has an original price of $89. It's on sale for 25% off the original price. Find the sale price of the baseball mitt. So that number 2 is yours. I'm going to do 2 more problems with you and then we're done for today. Okay, discount example. Find the original price. Lucy got a 75% discount on a sofa. She paid a total of $225. What was the original price? So when we're doing this problem, she got 75% off, so she paid 25%. So we have 25%, which is 25 over 100. And we know how much we paid, but we don't know what the total was. We know the part, but we don't know the whole. So we know 225, but we don't know this part. Remember, is over of, part over whole. And then we're going to solve this. I get 25x equals 220, 500. Divide both sides by 25. So the original price was $900. Okay, and because she only had to pay the 25%, that's why we're using that, because she said she paid 225. So they both have to be things like how much you're paying. All right, let's try one more. Discount and a tax. So we're taking something off and then we're adding something back on. So this is going to be 2 steps. A CD with an original price of $11.95 is discounted 20%. That means, so first step, we're paying 80%. So I'm going to jump right to that. 0.8, 80% is how much we're paying, because they're taking 20% off, of $11.95. 0.8 times 11.95 gives me $9.56. This is how much I have to pay for the CD. I did it in 1 step. If you want to do it in 2, you can. You should still get $9.56. Step 2, the sales tax is 5.5%, is added to the discount price. How much does it cost to purchase the CD? I'm going to add 5.5%. This means 105.5%. When you move it over to 1.055 is what that equals. So I'm doing it again in 1 step. 100% plus the 5.5% times what we're paying for it, $9.95. And that will add the tax. Now if you like to do 0.55 times this, get how much the tax is, and then add it, you can do that as well. Oh, 9.56 there. $9.56 times 1.055. Now we're going to round to the penny, because that's how much money is. So $10.09 would be how much the CD will cost. All right, that's it for today. We'll talk more in class. Have a good one.